Welcome back to New Motorcycle Riders. Please like and subscribe to this channel. So, you just went out and bought yourself a new motorcycle. After the initial shock of finally pulling the trigger and purchasing one, you start to ask yourself, am I going to do my own maintenance, or am I going to have someone else do it? The short answer, it depends on your skills, tools, and comfort level. But learning basic maintenance is hugely beneficial for every rider. Let's break it down. Why you should learn some maintenance. 1. Safety. Knowing your bike is in good shape gives you confidence on the road. Catch small issues, like loose bolts, low tire pressure, before they become dangerous. 2. Savings. Doing your own oil changes, chain maintenance, brake pad swaps, etc. can save you hundreds over time. 3. Knowledge is power. Understanding how your machine works helps you ride better, troubleshoot smarter, and talk shop with mechanics if needed. 4. Emergency fixes. Stranded with a dead battery or flat tire? If you've done the work yourself, you're much more likely to know how to handle it. Maintenance most riders can learn easily. Chain cleaning, lubrication, and tension adjustment. Oil and filter changes. Air filter replacement. Brake pad checks and swaps. Battery maintenance. Tire pressure and tread checks. Coolant top-up and general fluid checks. Basic bolt checks. Torque check on critical fasteners. YouTube, manuals, and forums make it easier than ever to learn this stuff. And it's kind of fun once you get into it. When to leave it to the pros. Valve adjustments, unless you're confident and have the right tools. Suspension tuning or rebuilding. Deep electrical diagnostics. ECU flashing or fuel system tuning. Anything involving serious engine internals. How to get started. Grab a service manual for your bike. Start small, like chain care or tire pressure checks. Watch someone else do it first or join a garage day with experienced riders. Doing your own work to your motorcycle is not for everyone, so know your limitations. Thank you for joining me again on New Motorcycle Riders. Please leave me a comment and like and subscribe to this channel.